Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you try to if your phone actually just turn on and turn off sound automatically, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to check is just to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here do not disturb. So, and just check in the do not disturb if you turn off do not disturb here. Also, you can just open sound and haptics and just fix your sound volume here. So just make it louder and just check if you are successfully turn on sound here. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go to the general and just open software updates and just check for wait until it will check for update. And if you have new updates, just download and install it on your phone, and just try after you install updates. Sometimes it also helps to fix this error. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try to make force restart. So just keep holding low volume and power button until you will see here Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. So just try it, and I hope one of these methods will help you. So just release 2 fingers from these 2 buttons. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.